I'm here with another video, and as I said, every time I get Angry Bird squishy things, I'm going to show you. So, I'm actually going to do it. So, I got these two, and at the end I'm going to tell you something else I got. So yeah, let me open it for you guys. Look at that. Got a piggy. It's a pig. You can see it. And time to open the other one. I got the bluebird. Boom. And I forgot to say this the last video when I got them. I forgot to say that when I collect them all, I was gonna do like a little show for you guys, like the real Angry Birds. So if I get like 3 of these or something, I can just get like these. I can collect all of these. I could just do something for you guys. And like I was saying in the beginning of the video, when I said I have something special to show you, it is the Intercontinental Championship belt. I don't know if you guys like wrestling or not, but if you do, I got it. The Intercontinental, this is the front of it. This is the back of it. And I also saw another one in there that it was an Intercontinental belt, but it was all black. So I just said, I'm not gonna get the black one, I'm just gonna get the white one, because I never saw a white one in stores like this before. So I just said, can I get it? And here it is, the Intercontinental Championship belt. And also I have, oh yeah, this is the last thing. I want to show you this. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you all of my belts that I have, including this one. I'm going to tell you all about them and who got them. So, please enjoy this video. Sorry. Please enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more.